Right, welcome back to another video. Tonight, heading down Portsmouth. We are going to a bike night. I went down there a couple of weeks ago and it was absolutely brilliant. Got there a bit late though, but we'll see what it's like. Tonight, leaving a little bit earlier. Going to meet a load of people first. And yeah, basically it really. Go and have a little look around, have a nice ride out with everyone. Oh my god, all that traffic. All this traffic we are going to try and filter through. Oh my god, the traffic is mental. You let me through, Beetle? Nah. But yeah, should be really good. It's quite a long journey down to Portsmouth from Brighton, so should be good. There's going to be a group of us. Hopefully the battery will last a little bit longer this video. I've got a massive power bank on me, so fingers crossed. Hopefully this can be really good. I'm really looking forward to tonight. I'm bloody hungry as well. I've skipped dinner, so but yeah, hopefully camera angle, everything is a lot better. A little play around with that. I've also sorted out the situation with the mic last night. That was like the first thing, then I sat and edited that video, so thank you very much, mate. Appreciate it. If anyone in the comments lives like around my area, or like any of you viewers that are living in around my area, like Brighton bound, just drop me a message. I'm well up for meeting. I love meeting new people. But yeah, the outcome of my videos the video from yesterday, I'm really chuffed with. The ND filter worked really lovely. It gave like a really nice like cinematic kind of like motion blur. All right, go and say hello to people. Am I late? Fuck! I'm sorry I'm late, alright? I'm sorry. I'm sorry! Yeah, I was, yeah. Oh, got some toys here today. Hello. Hello. I'm sorry, alright? I'm fashionably late, alright. What's he done? What? I'm confused. Oh, that thing sounds sick. Should be a good evening. I am leading, so now I don't know what way it's going to take me, so I don't know if it's going to be interesting or not, but I'll chop it up like I did last video, and then yeah, you should be able to enjoy. Be a bit boring just doing dual carriageways and stuff. So yeah, there's quite a lot of us. There's a supermoto, a sports bike, and a couple of nakeds, and an old Triumph. So we've got a good mixture. There should be loads more people. And down there, I think the last time I went down there was like 1,200 bikes on this tiny little island, so should be good. Yeah. Might as well stay as a group instead of filtering. God, I miss my 690 so much. Every time I see him out, I'm like, oh, come on. I miss it so much. Please. God, that sounds so good. I really, really do miss my 690. That sounds so good.
I can't hear you. I've got that rock on.
That's sick. That's pretty cool. Try not to scare the learner. God, that must be so hard to like learn to drive and you've got like 5 bikes around here. Yeah. Oh yeah, pinthrottle.com. If you want to get a merch hoodie. That is such a nice bit of road. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but there's Arundel Castle. Been there a couple of times. I'll take you guys there one time. I really like being over this way, it's lovely. Such a nice place. But yeah, I'll take you up to there, it looks really good. Been there numerous times. Usually go, if I'm going to go for like my own little ride, then yeah, I'll go on my own and go there. Like my happy place. Actually saying that, I think we actually are going past Goodwood as well. Oh my god. Oh! Yeah, Countach. Wow, what a sight. Oh, I love those in white. Wow. Yeah, you're going to see a lot of nice cars because of Goodwood from up here, so yeah, we're going the right direction. Going to see some lovely cars today. Another Porsche. Hopefully the ND field will block out some of that sun so we can actually see them. If you see any decent cars in the video, then yeah, drop a comment. Bentley 4x4, Nismo Duke. I can't see anything, sun is blinding. Thank you very much. Bit of filtering for you lot. Mini. So you can have a really nice car like that, but you have to sit in traffic. I just... oof. Kind of feel like the Bruce Almighty thing, where he like moves all the traffic, all the things out of the way. Such a good feeling, like filtering. I love it. It's unfortunate I don't commute to work, because if I commuted to work, I wouldn't mind it. Ooh, hello Porsche. T8 Talk. Oh, what? That's sick. That's cool. And we are here. God damn it, Con. Get parking up, we'll have a look around and see, check out some bikes. Oh, I'll move mine up a bit. All right, we're finally here. Mate, damn! Damn! Alright, let's get some food and drink, I think. I'm bloody hungry. My kickstacks! Alright, thank you very much John's Cafe for the lovely evening. It's time to head home. I'd like to just quickly, before I do forget, a massive thank you for everyone that's been watching my videos, enjoying the content. Yeah, it's been really good fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Not too sure when, but I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.